What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I just want to give you guys a warning and heads up. As you can see, this guy right here, this is a sensor, okay? So what this does is it allows the vehicle to stop. So what happens is when you're driving around, a vehicle comes in front of you and you're not paying attention, or you are paying attention, the car is gonna brake for you. Okay, so Acura's, Hondas, Toyotas, Lexus, Infinitis, they all got this. And they're stealing these, okay? My friend came from a Honda dealer, Lewis. He works at 440 Honda dealer. He told me they got 6 cars sitting in the lot because they stole this, okay? And they're on back order. They can't get it. It's gonna take months, and those cars are sitting there. If this thing fails, this thing is not there, you're gonna have a whole bunch of lights in the dash. You don't want to drive your vehicle, okay? But I want you guys to understand and take this as a warning. I haven't seen these a lot in my area yet, but they're coming. They're coming. As the prices go up, these guys are hungry. They don't have a way to feed themselves. So they find another way. They steal it from you. So park your car somewhere safe, indoor maybe, or in the light, or there's no way you're gonna find this guy, and it's very easy to take off. So if you look at it, it's right there, and all it has is this little bracket, which I can reach from in the back here, and splice that, and this thing just comes right off, and they'll take this easier than that catalytic converter, and believe me, they will take it. This thing is like $800. Some of them, like the Honda's electric and gas Honda, the plug-in Honda, whoo, $800. That piece was like this, the size as the Honda sign here. It was $800. But so guys, be careful. They're stealing these. If you got a Honda Acura Infiniti, and if you got that option, that function in your vehicle that stops as something approaches in front of you, it brakes for you. That's what it is. Anyways, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.